just in normal mode.
Yeah.
I think we'll leave it in normal mode.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm good.
we were warp speeding. Really?
Yeah, she gets it.
No man cannot not enjoy that.
Right. 100%. Anybody that says that's boring is not in my circle.
Yeah. That can never get old,
No.
even if I had a headache. there's some vehicles if you got a headache, you just don't want to deal with it. But you can have a headache, and this is still great.
Right.
This will probably take your headache away. You're like, life's too good to have a headache.
Right.
Oh man. I think the Hyundai winked at you.
You think he wants to go?
He said, I'll whip you.
Maybe to the gas station.
Yeah.
Or past the gas station.
Oh man, he'll run out of gas before he does.
Got twice the size tank too.
Yeah, that's great. Man, this is a lean, mean machine.
It gets it.
It gets it. That was awesome.
It doesn't sound so bad either.
Oh no, this is great. There's no drone, nothing. It's loud, like on the outside, it's loud, but like, even with the windows down on the inside, it sounds great when you're just cruising.
Yeah, it does.
When you get onto it, that's it. You feel like like you got it. That's a race car, man.
It really is.
Yeah, that's awesome. This is the best. I really appreciate that ride.
Hell yeah, man. Was it pushing you in the seat at
Oh,
all?
I was all over the place. I was trying to think. I was like, what do I do?
Are we gonna die?
Yeah.
Is he gonna kill me?
I was thinking, I was like, good thoughts in, bad thoughts out. He's got this. Good thoughts in, bad thoughts out. Oh man, that's amazing. Oh man. Woo! That can't be beat with a stick. That's all there is to it.
It's so true.
Let me jump out right here. I got to hurl.
Oh, you gotta go. Oh yeah.
No, just kidding.
I thought you were saying you had to go
But I
get
do
your
got to
dog.
get out right here.
Oh,
I got to get out right here.
you gotta go, right?
I got to go right to there. This is the guys that put this together. Look, this thing is, holy smokes. That's the real deal right there, man. yeah, you can get it done right there. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was exhilarating. Oh, man. Oh, Billy. Get it. Oh, smell it. Let me bring it in. I need all of it. Yeah. That was a ride right there. That was some exhilaration. Oh, man. Yeah. You cannot not love it. No more tires left. Hot downhill, yeah, y'all the baddest. Get some.